brisket. Got my barbecue
BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some Caribbean-style oxtails at the pit, and it's real easy to do. And subscribe if you can. All right, that's what I said, oxtails, and this is an oxtail if you've never seen it before. And what is an oxtail? Well, it's a beef cattle tail, and we'll get back into that in a bit. Now, for this recipe, you're going to need some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, some paprika, Scotch bonnet pepper flakes, some garlic powder, onion powder in there, pimento berries, salt, pepper, garlic, cloves. You're also going to need some thyme, scallions. You're going to need some ginger. Oh, I told you it'd be good. Grab some tomatoes, some bell pepper. We got a red onion here. We got some butter beans. And you're going to need some water. All right, let's put this together. Now, back to the oxtail, or the cowtails, whatever you want to call them. What you want to do here is trim off the excess fat, and there's a lot of it. You kind of make them round, right, when you do this, and they will look round, right, once you trim it off. You don't want the fat here. It's pretty much unedible. And the only way to cook these oxtails is low and slow. It'll take a few hours. There's a lot of connective tissue in there that you gotta break down, and only low and slow will make them tender. All right, so now, Barbecue Pit Boys Pitmaster Joseph Q is adding some Worcestershire sauce. In goes the soy sauce. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, Martha. You gotta check this one out. Stop by if you can. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. And this is kind of like the marinating process, right? We're gonna get the spices in first. Now, in goes some fresh ground black peppercorn. Here we've got the garlic and onion powder in there. Ooh. Here's the heat. This is Caribbean style. So in goes some Scotch bonnet pepper flakes. Yeah. Here we've got the paprika. We're using a smoked paprika. Use a good paprika, right? Here we've got the pimento berries. Again, that's that Caribbean style. And here, a couple of sprigs of thyme. They pack a lot of flavor. Right, get that in there. Oh, this is gonna be good. Now, if you've never had oxtails before, you're missing something out of your life. There's not a ton of meat on there, but what you get is worth every second of doing the preparation. Trust me. In fact, make as many as you can. Take a look at that. Now, let's chop up the scallions or the green onions. I told you this would be easy. Oh, man. We'll slice up the bell pepper. Oh, yeah. Now, you could be doing this on a Saturday morning, right? Get it done and prepped before you cut the lawn, because this is going to take several hours to do. So, chop up some onions. Oh, yeah. You got the tomatoes. Hopefully you're getting hungry. And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. Hopefully not one of those Vegematics. Oh, take some fresh slices of ginger. A very important ingredient in this. Now, of course, this is not your mama's oxtail. No way. This is stepped up. This is the way she should have been making it all these years. But don't tell her that. You'll just get her all upset. All right, we'll chop up some garlic. Oh, it smells good. All right, now, we've got the kettle all fired up here. And because we want to add a little extra smoke to this cook, we're throwing on some chunks of cherry wood. Ah, yeah. Caribbean cherry wood oxtails. On the menu at the pit. All right, we got some smoke, and now we're going to take these oxtails and we're going to sear them good all over. Now, this is something you can't do in the kitchen, right? This is what makes them 100% better. We'll just sear them on these, on the charcoal and on the cherry wood. Keep flipping it. You're after that texture, right? Oh, man. You just take your time. Keep turning, flipping. When you got them the way you want them, pull them off to the side. Now, I don't have to be telling you how to do this. You got to figure it out, right? All right. Now, let's get the cast iron pot ready. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Nice and hot. And let's throw in those oxtails. Ooh. This is definitely a meal for a few people here. That, some cold cervezas. You know what I'm saying. We're going to put in some water because it's this low simmer for a few hours. It's going to get this right. This is good living, right? This is what it's about. All right. Now, we've simmered them for about an hour and a half. We're going to put in the veggies. Let them start to cook. Again, low and slow. Oh, man. Take a look at that. It's coming together. Now, we're going to add some beef concentrate in that. You've seen that before, right? Like beef bouillon. And in goes some ketchup. You need a little bit of that tomato in there. And to do it, there's nothing better than ketchup, right? So use your favorite ketchup. And if you don't like ketchup, well, just might move on. All right, get that sprig of thyme in there. There's a ton of flavor. Again, take your time, low and slow. You want to cook them to their tender. Now, they're pretty much tender the way we want them. They're going to be fall off the bone. This is when you add your pre-cooked butter beans or white limas. Are you kidding me? Oh, Lord have mercy. You cannot believe that smell. So, in the miracle of time, about 3 hours, maybe a little bit more have gone by, and take a look at this. Moist, tender, fall off the bone, full of that Caribbean flavor. Oh, Rastaman vibration, yeah, positive, right? This is the part where the Pitmaster is going to eat in front of you, and he's not going to apologize. So head on over to our website to download the exact ingredients and recipe. Start a chapter. If you got the time, we'd proud to have you. We have 18,000 now in over 100 countries. Good. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.